It's so weird to have the little viewfinder on the side. I can't like not look at it. I feel like it was a little less subtle when it was up, that I could just like, well. Hey guys, it's Rosie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming on our brand new camera. If you're wondering why I got a brand new camera, I'm linking the vlog down below, in which I essentially spent a ridiculous amount of money last weekend. Anyways, I am getting ready to go on a trip with my besties for spring break. It's gonna be very fun. It's tomorrow, which is Thursday, through Saturday, and we are going up to the mountains. We're going to Breckenridge, Vail, and we're staying in an Airbnb in Frisco, which is apparently up near there. I have never been to any of these places. I've never skied in my life. I've never done anything like that. So I don't even know if we're gonna ski. We're definitely vibing up in the mountains, and that's about all I got. I do know it's going to be very cold, especially because today it's like literally 62 degrees down by Denver. So we're going back to the 20s and 30s, but we need to get ready. We need to pack. And I figured I'd take you along with me because this is gonna be a bit of a challenge. I am a chronic overpacker. No use denying it. It's just a fact of life. And I am trying to pack as little as I physically can for this trip because we're literally there for 2 nights. 3 days, 2 nights. Like, I do not need a lot. However, I do need layers. I do need outfit changes. So we're gonna see what we can make work. And also, since there's 3 of us, it's gonna be 3 of us in 1 car. I'm trying not to, like, you know, bring the biggest suitcase ever and take up all the room. So it's gonna be a unique challenge presented to us today, but we're gonna make it work. For this trip, we read The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, so I reread it because I read that back in like 2021. Fabulous to revisit. And now I'm bringing with me Powerless by Lauren Roberts, and I'm almost halfway, almost there. Fabulous. The remnants of my last trip are a nickel and a blue M&M. The name of the game here is layers, as I said. But first, I am packing for like literally every situation possible because we are going to hot springs. So I have a bathing suit. I am gonna put this in a separate bag because we're like driving to the hot springs before we're driving to our Airbnb. So, you know, I will get a tote bag, I guess. Then my little flippy flops. So these are just gonna sit on the side, but I had to make sure I grabbed them, otherwise I would have forgotten tomorrow and it would have been a whole thing. And then when it comes to shoes, I am scared. I know that we're gonna be walking around. I know that's gonna be icy. And looking at my options, I was like, do I bring a pair of Uggs? I would love to bring a pair of Uggs because they're comfy, but I don't want to get them ruined. And then I was like, okay, we also need traction shoes for this ice. When I took a look at my little booty options, these are my Docs, these are coming. I absolutely love them. And then these are like my hiking boots. I've worn them twice, 3 times. And I looked at the bottom and their little like traction pads are very similar. So I think I'm gonna save myself the room and leave these at home. And then I'll probably wear these tomorrow, even though they'll be a bitch to get off at the hot spring, but I will pack probably sneakers. I haven't decided on that yet. I'm still working that out in my head, but probably sneakers for the other activities. I'll put shoes on that side, whip this bad boy open. I mean, first of all, gotta do the underwear and the bras. I will always pack at least 3 extra pairs of underwear. That is an absolute given. And then we got socks. I've got a lot of socks because I'm scared they're gonna get wet. And I have boot socks and I have regular sneaker socks. This is such a small little container. Okay, like I said, layers, name of the game. I am going to bring 2 pairs of jeans. These are like jeggings. So, but they're comfortable. So, we'll see. And then these jeans are like a size bigger than what I need and they're loose. So I was like, that's perfect to put leggings underneath. The day we're really gonna be outside is like Friday, so I will save that. Oh, pajamas, natch. At least I don't have to worry about like a weight limit. That's always the most annoying. Okay, flat. Oh, we got sweaters. Yeah. We've got some leggings. They are from Lululemon. They are Aligns, but Lululemon also hates fat people, so only buy them secondhand. Then we've got base layers. We might be reaching our limit. For base layers, this is just like a plain, like long sleeve t-shirt that I got from H&M, like, I don't know, months ago. This is a gray Fabletics turtleneck that has never done me wrong. I have canceled and redone Fabletics, I don't know, 7 or so times in my life, and this is the only piece of clothing that has made it with me from New York to Colorado, and I do still use, so take that as you will. A little black turtleneck. Next is this fun Harley Davidson t-shirt. It's from Panama. And I figured that would be cute under or over one of the turtlenecks and with jeans as like a fit. Okay. And then one of the nights we are going on a sleigh ride to dinner, which is just so cool. So I have one like nice fancy-ish outfit, and it's these pants from Cider, and probably the black turtleneck again. Black turtleneck is a classic. What can I say? I'm bringing this fun little cardigan because I also feel like this, whatever day I wear the Harley Davidson shirt, I will just take that off and put this over where it was, and I think that makes a cute, like, nicer outfit. That will be that. This is rough. This is not gonna go well. I think I might have to lay this one. These ones flat. Let's see. Let's see what finagling we can do. Oh, and this is from Quince. I thrifted it, but it's nice. It's like cashmere, maybe. I don't know, it's really soft. Let's go. All right, cool, fabulous, wonderful. And then this is a nice old tried and true Eddie Bauer sweater that my mom gave me. Probably from the 80s or 90s. It used to be hers. Okay. Let's see if I can close this. Okay. Oh, I think I can make that work. That's fine. So fun. That was a very loud bang. Sorry to my landlord. All right, that's good. I do need something to wear tomorrow. Putting this on top. Oh, fuck. I also have a belt. Belt will be backpack. Books will also be backpack. I do have this tote bag from Book of the Month that I got for being, I don't know, for doing it for a year or whatever. It has a book little thing on it for being a BFF. This I think will be my swimwear holder. Because I might want to bring my book inside and read in the hot spring. If that's a normal thing to do, I don't know if it is. I've never been to a hot spring before either, so I'm very excited to see and experience. Wait, that's a lie. That's a lie. I have been to a hot spring, just not here. I went to one in Mexico, and it was really cool, and there were caves. Okay. For my sneakers, I'm going to bring these white Air Maxes that I've never worn. We're gonna put these in the backpack as well. You have a lot to sniff, huh? You wanna sniff a lot. Lots to sniff. My two-tone little flannel from Nasty Gal. It's so hot down here. I have no idea what the weather's gonna be like in between. So I'm trying to dress in things that won't actually suffocate me. And then I do need to bring a freaking jacket. Oh God, we'll figure that out. We'll figure it out. I'm also gonna bring just a fun little towel in the swim bag. I don't know if they give you them or not. I feel like they might, but also I don't want to rely on that. Oh shit, okay. Okay, we're gonna have 3 separate bags, it's fine, okay. That was my lunch break, so I'm gonna go sit down, go back to work, and then I will catch up with you when we're packing the rest of the accoutrement. I love that word. I don't know if I'm using it correctly. I think I am. We are about to log off for the day. and I gathered up the rest of the stuff that I saw scattered downstairs that I do have to pack so that way I don't forget it. I figured I'd show you as I stuff it all in. I have no idea how we're gonna do this. This I think is just gonna stay in its package. This is a resin crafting kit. Which one might not think you need for a mountain getaway, but Ashley and I had been talking about it at dinner and I was like, you know what? I've wanted to do that literally since the pandemic, so why not? And I bought us one on Amazon. So it's coming. I think I'm just gonna have to like bring it as the box. I'm gonna have so many freaking bags. I'm a bag lady, whatever. Then we have meds. I did pack all my meds for the weekend. That's gonna go in the backpack. This will just be going on the camera, but I got my little white rubber boy to put on you to keep you nice and safe. I will not fail you the same way I failed the G7X. Next, my mom sent a lot of candy last week, so I'm bringing some of that. This is in here. Next, I've been trying to give Amanda this book for a month, possibly a month and a half. It is going in the bag because I've brought it with me to places and forgotten to give it to her. I put it out to bring with me and not taken it. It's leaving my home. I no longer need it. I don't want it in my possession. I think I'm gonna do the books back here because that seems to make sense. Whatcha? Whatcha? Oh, and also I have this bottle of wine for us because I have a lot of wine in my fridge and I never drink it alone, so I might as well bring it. Secondary location. I need to shower tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna wash my hair or not. I'm thinking probably not because tomorrow we're going to the hot springs. The hot springs I went to was just a giant cave in Mexico. It wasn't really like a resort place. And I think this place is kind of like a resort place, so I'm sort of assuming I'll have access to a shower. And if not, I'll be showering that night in the Airbnb. Anyways, okay. I'm just thinking out loud here. But I'm not gonna do my hair because of that. I am gonna wash my body, I am gonna shave, and then I'm not gonna wear any makeup there because that's a little silly, but I will pack makeup for our days, our excursions. I really would love a better way to store my brushes rather than just in a bag, but this is what we've got right now. So I just keep my brushes in here normally. So they should be all good. Then makeup wipes. I always forget makeup wipes. Like that's the main thing I will forget. All right, what do we need? Makeup by Mario palette is my favorite one. Currently, mascara. Second mascara. Contour, concealer. Oh yeah, tinted moisturizer. I'm just gonna like toss things out that I'm not gonna need actually. That'll be easier. I mean, I'm leaving for literally 2 days. It doesn't need to be crazy. The good old-fashioned chi. Can't do me wrong. I will be using this to curl my hair. This is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Obviously teeth and stuff I will take later. Moisturizer, face stuff I will take later. Okay, into the bags, these go. And I just picked up some things from my nightstand, my little AirPods and a clippy clip. And I should probably get a scrunchie. Scrunched. Now we're gonna toss these in. Also, please ignore all that. Iggy destroyed something. He's always destroying something. Right. Well, that seems to be about it. I do have to pack my skincare, but that's gonna be after I shower and everything. So probably tomorrow. I'm very excited to get going on this trip. I've been looking forward to this for months now. It truly has been like a light at the end of the tunnel of busy season. And I'm so excited to get away and have like a girls trip. It's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so nice to travel for like literally just fun purposes, not because I have to go on a work trip or I have to go do a funeral or, you know, it's gonna be so nice to have free time. So lovely. I will be documenting our very fun weekend up in Breckenridge and Vail. So if you're interested in seeing what we get up to, I'm anticipating thrifting, obviously being up on the mountains, and then maybe a bookstore or two. The hot springs, like there's so many cool things. There's so many fun options. So yeah, it's gonna be a lovely trip. And if you wanna see it, check back next week. I feel like that's about all I got for you. So thank you for watching. And I hope you're having a fabulous whatever time of day you're in. I will be talking to you very, very soon. Bye.